Imagine you're scrolling through your Expensify dashboard, trying to figure out who's responsible for paying the bills. You've seen the term billing owner pop up, but you're not quite sure what it means. Let's dive in and find out. Have you ever wondered who's footing the bill for all those expense reports? In Expensify, that person is called the billing owner. But what exactly does this role entail? Let's break it down. Understanding the billing owner. The billing owner is essentially the financial guardian of your Expensify account. They're responsible for managing payment information. This includes adding, updating, and removing payment methods like credit cards or bank accounts. Authorizing payments. The billing owner gives the green light for Expensify to process payments for your company's expense reports. Setting payment preferences. They can choose how often payments are made, e.g., monthly, weekly, and whether to receive email notifications. Resolving payment issues. If there's a problem with a payment, the billing owner is the go-to person to sort it out. Who can be a billing owner? Typically, the billing owner is someone with financial authority within your company. This could be a CFO or controller, an accounts payable specialist, a department head. How to find or become a billing owner. Check your Expensify settings. Look for a section labeled Billing or Payment Information. There should be an option to view or edit billing owner details. Contact Expensify support. If you're having trouble locating the billing owner information, reach out to Expensify's customer support team. Billing owner responsibilities. As a billing owner, it's important to review expense reports regularly. Ensure that all expense reports are accurate and comply with your company's policies. Monitor payment activity. Keep an eye on your company's payment history to detect any irregularities. Update payment information. Make sure that your company's payment methods are up to date and secure. Communicate with employees. Clearly explain your company's expense policies and payment procedures to employees. Common billing owner questions. Can I change the billing owner? Yes, you can usually change the billing owner within your Expensify settings. What if I lose my billing owner access? Contact Expensify support to regain access or appoint a new billing owner. Can I see who approved a specific expense report? Yes, you can usually view the approval history for each expense report. So, there you have it. The billing owner is a crucial role in managing your company's expenses through Expensify. By understanding their responsibilities and how to find or become a billing owner, you can ensure that your company's finances are in good hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.